Guys, welcome back to another kit lineup video. If you're returning, thank you so much for returning. I appreciate your support here on my channel. And if you are new, hi, take a look around, stay a while. I have a bunch of videos from hauls to wedding planning to plan with me's. So feel free to take a look around and subscribe if you have not already done so. So for the month of September, I know that there are 4 full weeks that I need to account for here. I did include the last week going into September in my August kit lineup. So if you haven't seen that video, I will go ahead and link it. So we're going to start with September 5th, which is Labor Day. And I have this freebie kit that I got from Dash Designs. And at this point, she has definitely changed her format. This is a B6 size kit, so it'll be a little bit of a difference, a little bit of a challenge to use with this, but I really like it. I think my last couple of kits in August are very green expired, and I just feel like this kind of just transitions into it very well. But what I also did do was bring down my binder of all of my kits. So I'm going to show you guys some of the kits that I have, and we're going to kind of go through it together on camera. So this is a potential. If not, I can see myself using this in the springtime as well, which I think kind of really goes a little bit more. But I want to challenge myself to use kits beyond the ones that's standard for the type of planner I have. And in case you don't know, I have the Sadie Stickers undated vertical planner. So we're going to hold that to the side for now. I'm going to move this out of the way because this binder is huge. Okay, here's the big boy. Let me just go back to one just so you get a little bit of a picture, better picture. So I do have 2 kits. The one from MintU, I do want to use in September. I think this will probably be either the week before fall or that final, yeah, I don't know. We're definitely gonna use this. And then I have a fall kit from Paper Trail Plans that I have, but I feel like this one may be a little bit more appropriate in October, so we'll keep that in mind. So fall begins on September 23rd, which happens to be that 3rd week. So I may or may not, I don't know. We're going to take a look, but that's really the only thing I need to keep in mind here for real is the month of, well, the fall. So I have a lot of stuff here, okay. These are a lot of my extender boxes and then some of the transparent stuff that I got from the Giving Girl here. And then everything in the front pretty much are all of my Paris theme kits. Yeah, I'm pressed like that. So all that is Paris, including this. I have this Juneteenth kit from Paper Trail Plans that I'll probably use next year, or maybe even that one, not sure. And then that's a Father's Day kit. That's a winter kit, so that's going to come in handy come soon. I put that as a possible, let me show you guys what it is, as a possible anniversary kit, but I did find one that I liked a little bit more to use for this year, which also is in that August kit lineup. Okay, so here we got Bookworm. Bookworm is definitely an anytime kit. This is from Sadie Stickers. This can definitely go. I don't have children, but I think if you had this kit and you had children, this would be kind of perfect. as like a back to school like kit. So I think I'm gonna pull this out as a potential. Okay, and I got this from Stationery Muse. That's a mystery kit from Glam Planner. That's my other kit from The Giving Girl. I got like my Disney themed kits here. You Are Beautiful. I actually thought about using that. That's from Panda Bird Design. I also thought about using that for my birthday one time. We got some spring stuff. This is like Black History in a sense. We got some smaller anytime kits from the Stationery Muse. This one's from Bean Sprout Paper Co. I got like a lot of just the full boxes from, this is from Indian Ivy Ink. And I had like a whole plan for this year. It didn't happen because, you know, things was just too crazy. So got that for later. I got this throwback kit from Gold Mine and Coco that was in collaboration with Fox and Pitt. Yep. Oh, yes. See, this is another one. I definitely was like waiting for fall to use this. This is from Letters to Apollo. That's for that kit. So this one I think came out last year. It is in rose gold. It's called Wine Country. Okay, see I got some florals. She has definitely reformatted her kits as well. Super pretty, but that's another one, so we'll hold on to that. I don't think I'm doing any like traveling or anything of that sort. I mean, for like that last weekend, but it's not like nothing big. Okay, then I got Rose Shadow Collection. This would probably be a good kit too, but I'm using a Sailor Moon kit, so do I want to use 2 in 1 year? I'm not sure. This is from Like Luna Plants. She's unfortunately no longer open. And then we got this like fashion expired one from Glam Planner. Here's a couple other ones from Glam Planner. Oh, that's like extras left over. I got this one from Art Box Stickers, like right before she ended. It was crazy. I ordered and then she was like, she's closing. I'm like, oh no. So yeah. Okay, this is another one. So like I was saying, I wanted to try to use some of the other size kits. So this one is called Sweather Weather, but I feel like this one may be better like October or November too. So we're gonna put that back. Put that back. I don't really have a lot of stuff. Pumpkin. Pumpkin could probably also go. And that one has gold foil. That could probably really go in October. I got these kits that was like a collaboration with Gold Mine and Coco and Anita from, oh, why am I blinking out? I'm put on the screen because I done blanked out. I done forgot just that fast. I got another Cleopatra kit. That's kind of like an anytime kit as well. And then I got some more like, oops, sorry for the shaking. I got some more like winter like kits. That's definitely spring. This is another like winter kit, but I've ordered a lot of winter. I think this too. This is like an anytime kit from Glam Planner, but I will probably use that maybe in October. As well as that one from Missing Meow. I mean, it could go. This could go because it's like, there will be like a good transition. When you love what you have everything you need. I mean, maybe. Oh, that's it too. So we'll pull that one out as well. Okay, so we got a couple that we can look at. And let's see. And I think worst come to worst, I could probably pull out this older Paris theme one from Sadie Stickers because it definitely has like fall vibes. That looks spring. I mean, that can be anytime. That definitely looks like spring, summer. But, yep, okay. So, let's take a look here. Let's bring back the planners. We have a nice little backdrop. All right, so first week is September 5th to the 11th, which also happens to be 9/11. And, oh, our nephew is turning 21. Oh, God. Okay. Here we go. So here's some of the kit options that we have. Let me pull out this one so you guys can see it. I definitely think that one really leans more towards the fall, which could probably be a good kit going into fall, since I don't really have one for fall specifically. And then that one. Okay, so let's see. We need something that's still, I mean, this could probably go because it's still a little close. It's still a little bit more summer. And then we got one more week, and then it's the week of fall. So this could be, okay, so you know what? We're going to put this back to the side. We'll probably use that in spring. Okay, so now we got 5. So looking at it, I think we may use this one first. I think this is really, I really love the sunflowers. And I think a lot of people also are thinking the same thing, sunflowers, and like September is like a thing in the planner community. So I think this may be for that first week of, yeah, I feel like it because it's still like, it's like the end of summer, really like transitioning to fall, you know, that sort of thing. So I think we got that. Okay, so then we have 4. I'm feeling like this. And I don't know if I showed you guys what's all in the kit. That was a freebie. This is also her older format as well. I think this could go because, especially like this like peachy color. And this is rose gold. So this one is gold. And then this one will be rose gold. I feel like kind of like this one will be a good transition from super bright to a little bit more like, I think this is like beginning of summer, end of summer kind of colors. What you think? I think that's going to be for that second week. So that's September 12th to 18th. And then for the actual week of fall, okay, I really feel like these are like the 2 kits that I want to go with. So both of these are rose gold. This is gold. But see, I also feel like this needs to come out when it's super, super cold. I don't know. What do y'all think? But then, you know what? Looking at this one too. No, because these colors lean a little bit more fall to me than this does. So yeah, we're going to keep it the same. So maybe this one would be right on time for the first week of fall. I think especially with the colors, and I think I got some like pumpkin and like fall leaf sheets of the Giving Girl bowstrung boxes as well in rose gold, so I can like use that to kind of like say, hey, this is fall, you know, that type of thing. Or it can always like go like in one of these boxes like hello fall, like that would be cute as well. You think? Yeah, maybe. Okay, I think that's what we're gonna go with. And last but not least, the last week, which is September 26th to October 2nd. So of course we're definitely getting a little bit more into the wintry thing. I was really thinking about this, but I'm still feeling like this kit is a little bit more October, because really that's like the leaves are definitely going to be done, whereas this one, you know, it's like the beginning changes, but it's still a little bright. Yep, that's what it's going to be. Okay, so this one is going to go back. We're going to use that in October, most definitely. So, let me show you guys. For the first week of September, which is September 5th, we're going to use this kit from MintU Studio. For the second week of September, which starts September 12th, we're going to use this kit from Miss and Meow called Atelier. I'm not really sure how you say that. For the week of September 19th, which happens to be the first day, well, the first day of fall will be in that week. We're going to use this kit called Wine Country from Letters to Apollo. And last but not least, for the week of September 26th to October 2nd, we're going to use this kit called Bookworm from Sadie Stickers. I think looking at it, the colors kind of go, because it's like starting. I'm not going to keep explaining it. Y'all understand what I was saying, but I think it's going to go, even though like these girls still kind of looking a little not fall. So we'll have to use this, like if I use this girl box, which I may not, I will put this towards the beginning of the week, since fall happens at the end. Same thing with the clothes. Like the clothes will go in the first half of the week. But yeah, I think I settled. This is going to be it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this type of picking out the kits for the month, let me know. I'll definitely try to do it again for the month of October. If you liked this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you think I should swap out with any of the other kits that I did show you here today in this video. And then, yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, because if you haven't, I'm not really sure why. So, thank you guys so much for watching today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.